Think about your movements today. From your morning coffee to your evening commute, your smartphone has been silently tracking every step. This data, often overlooked, forms a detailed record of your life, your very own digital trail. Google Maps. Timeline harnesses this information, transforming it into a powerful tool for exploration and insight. It's time to unlock the potential of this often overlooked feature and discover the wealth of knowledge it holds. Imagine being able to retrace your steps from months, even years ago. Picture yourself effortlessly accessing past travel itineraries, rediscovering hidden gems from past vacations, or even settling a friendly debate about where you had dinner last Tuesday. Google Maps. Timeline makes all of this possible, and more. Google Maps Timeline isn't just about satisfying curiosity, it offers a range of practical benefits. For travelers, it serves as a digital travelogue, preserving precious memories and simplifying future trip planning. For professionals, it can help track business expenses, optimize commutes, and even spark creative inspiration by revisiting past project locations. Beyond personal use, Timeline can be a valuable tool for businesses and researchers. Imagine analyzing foot traffic patterns to optimize store layouts or studying migration patterns to understand population trends. The possibilities are vast and continue to expand as the technology evolves. Accessing this treasure trove of information is surprisingly simple. Follow these easy steps to activate and explore your Google Maps timeline. Step 1. Open the Google Maps application on your smartphone. This is your gateway to a world of location-based information. Step 2. Locate the menu button, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. This is your control panel for navigating the app's features. Step 3. Scroll down through the menu options until you find your timeline. This is where your digital footprint comes to life. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. If you haven't already, you'll be prompted to enable Location History. This crucial step allows Google Maps to track and record your movements, forming the basis of your timeline. Step 5. Customize your timeline settings to align with your preferences. You can choose to hide specific locations, adjust data sharing options, and even categorize places for easier navigation. Section 4. Enhancing the timeline. The AI advantage. Google Maps. Timeline is more than just a passive repository of location data. It leverages the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your experience and provide valuable insights. AI algorithms analyze your movement patterns, identify frequently visited places, and even recognize modes of transportation, enriching your timeline with context and detail. Imagine your timeline automatically categorizing trips as work commutes, weekend adventures, or restaurant visits. AI makes this possible, transforming raw data into meaningful insights. This intelligent analysis can help you identify spending habits, discover new favorite spots, and even uncover hidden patterns in your daily routines. Section 5. Beyond the Basics. Timeline Tips and Tricks. Now that you've unlocked the power of Google Maps Timeline, here are a few tips and tricks to maximize your experience. Add missing places. Manually input locations that Timeline may have missed, ensuring a complete and accurate record of your travels. Edit timelines. Correct inaccurate data, such as incorrect dates or misidentified locations, to maintain the integrity of your timeline. Share timelines. Share your adventures with friends and family, providing them with a visual journey through your experiences. Download data. Export your timeline data for offline access or to create backups, ensuring the preservation of your digital memories. Explore insights. Dive deeper into the Insights tab to uncover fascinating statistics about your travels, such as total distance traveled or countries visited. Section 6. Privacy Considerations. Navigating the data landscape. While Google Maps Timeline offers undeniable benefits, it's crucial to address privacy concerns. Google is committed to protecting user data, and Timeline includes robust privacy settings to give you control over your information. You can choose to pause location tracking, delete specific entries, or even wipe your entire timeline history. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these settings and adjust them according to your comfort level. Section 7. Stay connected. Explore more digital insights. Google Maps. Timeline is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to harnessing the power of your digital footprint. From understanding your online behavior to managing your digital identity, there's a wealth of information waiting to be unlocked. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this, where we explore the intersection of technology, data, and everyday life. Stay tuned for deep dives into topics like online privacy, data security, and the future of AI. Together, let's navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape and empower ourselves with knowledge.